Hello, we will understand the concept of reversing a linked list. Okay, so let's get started. So that day we saw that we have many nodes we can make of using that structure, pointer to structure. Okay, and we can allocate it using this malloc statements. Okay, so first see that structure, how we are doing that. Let's revise once and then we move forward. Okay, so structure has a node, head and next. Okay, so there is a head, there is a data, there is a next. So that next will point, so we can make many instances of this node. So this will be node 1, or we can call it one node, and we can call it 2. Okay, and if we put in next pointer of this the address of next node 2, then it will become pointing to next one. Okay, and same way in next node of this one, if we put the address of next instance of the structure node, then it will be pointing to third node 2, and this will be 3. Okay, so same thing we have done there. So let's get back to main. Okay, so we are in main now. Okay, so we are in main and we have saw that this different nodes we have defined. The head is pointer to that structure that we, okay, so it will point to each of the node that we saw, 1, 2, 3, like that, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, and 5, like this, and will allocate memory, and in each of them there is 2 fields. So in data field we'll fill the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can fill anything, but let's put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's move forward. Okay, now we will also make it point to like one will once next. So this is one node, once next will point to 2. That's why this statement is there. 2's next, so data already we filled, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it was. 2's next will point to 3 and so on. Okay, now what we will do, we'll make a head node, which was also initialized initially. Okay, this all the memory allocation and malloc was there. So head will become equal to 1. So that means whatever is in the head in 1 will be in head. So data and next pointer of 1 will be copied to head. So then now head will heads next also. So we can see it like this. Will be 2 things, head and 1. So head next and 1 next both will point to same. So basically they are pointing to same 1 node, sorry, or 2 node, which is 1 was pointing to before, right? So then now the head is a pointer from which we can iterate over the linked list. Okay, now we had made one more pointer to structure, which we will capture by like when we reverse the linked list. Okay, so from reverse side we will put next and come like 5. That was head and next was there, right? Data and next. So that will be from reverse side, the pointer will be there, which is called reverse. Okay, so now we will call the reverse list function. This is a basic idea in main what we will do. Okay, now delete this and go back to our function. So this function will return a node. Basically we should return a node which will be the reverse side node from where you will iterate over. I will come back and right, we'll have next pointer which will come until, so it will print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, because we had in straight linked list, forward linked list, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So that's why this will return a pointer basically to structure, and also it will accept pointer. It will accept a pointer head of the forward linked list. Okay. So that you understood. Now we'll use a stack. So this stack will be of type node star, means pointer to a structured node. It will be of type that. So generally we have seen this int stack int something, right? But here it is a pointer type because we want to store the address or the pointer to each node in a stack. Okay. Now we will also for temp and head null, head new, we will allocate the memory. Okay. We could have done one more line here. I'll show you. We could do for head new also. So we can do it for head new. Same thing we can do for head new, which is missing, I think. Okay, head new. Yeah. So we allocated memory for both. Okay. Now main logic starts here. Let's roll forward. Now what we will do, while head is not equal to null. So see, with this statement head is equal to head next. Head is here, 1 is here, okay. So head will keep on going to 1, 2, 3 and it will, so head equal to head next will go on and we'll push that head to a stack. So stack will first have one node, data 1, then it will have 2, then it will have 3, and it will have 4. Okay, these all pointers will have 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes. Pointer will be stored in stack. Let's do it once more in a good way. Empty space. So when we will do stack st.push head, and head is equal to head next. So what was happening? See, first time this was one node, this was head node, right? So head was equal to 1 before we did in main. Then when we do head is equal to head next. So head next is, or 1's next, because head and 1 are same, was 2. So now head 2 and head become same node. Exactly same data and same next pointer. So every time head is equal to head next happen, that head will become equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this stack, first 1 will be put, then 2, then 3, then 4 and 5. Okay. That node name, these are node name, not the value only. Node name, complete pointer. Okay. So that will happen. Okay. So stack will be filled one by one while this while loop will be running. So while this while loop is running here to here, stack will be filled with those values. I showed you 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you take stack top, it will have the last value of linked list, which was already forward linked list. Last value will be there, right? 4th or 5th was the last value, right? So when you make a new node, head new, using st.top, so st.top will give you that last value. 4th or 5th node will be there, right? 5th node. First was 1, 2, 2, 3 till 4th, 5th. So it will give you that first last node of the original linked list. Now what you will do with another while loop here, what you will do, I'll show you what you will do. So this is another linked list, another stack while loop. you will check it until it is empty, that stack is empty. Okay. So what you will do, the top value which was there, which was node 5 suppose, that you will copy in temp. Okay, this line. And then you will pop the linked list. So now fourth is there. Okay. Now this condition is for last node actually when it is empty. So let's forget for this now. Now next statement will be this one. Now temp next. So temp was already 5. Okay. Temp next will be now st.top. So now next is fourth. st.top is fourth because you already popped something, right? Fifth one. So temp next will be fourth node. Okay. Now again while loop will go on top, check for empty. So it is not empty till now. So again temp will become 4. Okay. Temp will become 4. And again will pop. So fourth also will be popped. Third node will be there. Third. 3 or third. And again it will tell that fourth next is third. Because temp will become equal to st top which was fourth before. Right? So fourth next will be third. Okay. And so on it will keep on happening till the stack is empty. That means stack has a value from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Let's try once more time. So initially you keep on, you iterated over the linked list first. Okay. And you push the this head into stack, right, one by one, and head is equal to head next means it will keep on going to 1, 2, 3, 4 different nodes. This is for iterated over the linked list, forward linked list, and pushing in stack. Now we will this line I will explain later. This line you see. So until stack is empty, it will push this top of the stack, which is here 5, into one temp variable, temp pointer to structure. So now temp will become equal to 5. Okay. Now we'll pop this one. Pop 5. So 5 is gone now. Top is now 4. Okay. Top is 4 here. So temp next. So temp's next will be now this 4 because temp next is equal to st top here. And st top is now 4 after popping. Okay. Now it will go on top of the loop again. Again list is not empty. 4 is still there. So temp 3 is not okay. So st top is 3, sorry. Now. So now 3 is there. So temp will become 3. Okay. And 3 is 3 and then it will be popped out here. Okay. It popped out. Until now temp is equal to temp next. So temp is 3, third next is 2. Third next will be, because the third is popped out, it will be 2 now. So third next will be st.top. The top is now 2. Okay. So temp next is equal to 2. So same way it will happen and we will push the linked list in reverse order. Okay. Now this return, and what we are doing now also, we are adding head next, head and new next. So one node which is head, we are trying to map it or make it equal to temp. Okay. So then we can use this head new as a iterator and we can return it. Okay. When we return it here and print this head reverse, so reverse value will capture the reverse list return value. Okay. Here. So now when you put cout reverse data next data, then data next data and all this, we'll get the ulta linked list and we'll print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 54321 is printed. So that is the device link list program. Thank you.